Hi everyone, I'm Sammy with Pacific Shore Stones in Olive Branch, Mississippi, here to go over the endless design possibilities of quartz countertops.
Natural quartz is found in many different countries around the world, including the United States, Brazil, Canada, and more. It is one of the hardest crystalline minerals on Earth and is found all over the world in different forms. When it comes to using quartz for countertops and other surfaces, it is a great choice because of its composition. Most quartz slabs are composed of about 93% quartz and 7% resin binders and pigments. Quartz slabs are free of fissures and cracks, impermeable to moisture, water, and bacteria because they are non-porous without the need to be sealed, and are approximately 2 times harder than granite. In addition to being non-porous, characteristics of quartz slabs include scratch, stain, heat, and etch resistant, durable, easy to maintain, and eco-friendly. Quartz designs can be broken down into 2 categories. Those two are palette and pattern. The palette is the color of the design, and the pattern is the look of the design. Furthermore, the pattern means it can be a solid surface, veined, uniform, or have movement, while the palette refers to the surface being light or dark and specific color. Quartz can also be finished in many ways. Polish is smooth and emphasizes the color and luster of the surface while requiring little care and maintenance. Honed is a non-shiny, matte look with low sheen and velvet-like feel.
For more information on caring for and cleaning your quartz countertop, browse our channel or visit our website at www.pacificshorestones.com.